Why is my Epson printer not printing with full ink?
Hello and welcome to our troubleshooting guide. Today, we're going to tackle an issue that many Epson printer users might encounter. Why is your Epson printer not printing even with full ink? Let's delve into this to understand the root causes and find the right solutions.
Understanding the problem.
The first thing to understand is that this issue can be caused by several factors. It could be because of dried ink, problems with the printer driver, blocked printer nozzles, or even incorrect printer settings. Now, let's take a closer look at each one of these.
Could dried ink be the problem?
Your Epson printer might not print even with full ink because the ink has dried out. This can happen if you don't use your printer regularly. Ink, especially in inkjet printers, tends to dry out when left idle for too long, clogging the print heads. This would prevent the ink from being dispensed onto the paper.
Is the printer driver at fault?
Another common problem could be with the printer driver. If the driver is outdated or corrupt, it might not communicate correctly with your printer, leading to problems with printing. It's important to always keep your printer's driver updated to ensure smooth functioning.
Are the nozzles blocked?
Blocked nozzles can also cause this issue. The printer nozzles are tiny openings that dispense ink onto the paper. If they're blocked by dried ink or dust particles, they will prevent the printer from printing properly.
Is it a setting issue?
Lastly, incorrect printer settings might be causing the problem. If your printer is set to print in grayscale, for example, it might not use the colored ink, even if the cartridges are full.
Solutions and troubleshooting steps.
To resolve these issues, you can 1. Perform a print head cleaning. This can be done through your printer software. It will help to clear out any dried ink that might be clogging the print heads or nozzles. 2. Update or reinstall the printer driver. If the driver is the issue, updating or reinstalling it should resolve the problem. 3. Check and clean the nozzles. Look for any visible dust or dried ink on the nozzles and clean them carefully. 4. Check printer settings. Make sure the settings are correct. If you're trying to print in color, make sure the printer is not set to grayscale. Remember, if none of these solutions work, it might be time to contact Epson's customer support for further help. That's it for our troubleshooting guide on why is your Epson printer not printing even with full ink. We hope this video has been helpful and you've managed to resolve the issue with your printer. Remember, regular maintenance and proper usage can prevent many common printer problems. Happy printing!